Hi everyone, in this video I will demonstrate how to deposit money to Binance using a debit card. It's important to note that your account must be verified to proceed with transactions on Binance. If you haven't verified your account yet, you can check out my previous video where I guide you through the verification process. To deposit money, simply click on the deposit button and then select bank deposit. It will take you to this window where you can select your currency and payment method. You can also change currency to, for example, Australian dollar or Ukraine hryvnia, and then the available payment method will adjust accordingly. You will also see a fee for each payment option. For some currencies, there may be no fees, while for others, it might range from 1 to 2%. Select your currency and click Continue. This will take us to the next page where we can enter the desired deposit amount. For this video, I will deposit 15 euros. You will also see the transaction fee displayed here. Click here to add a new card, enter your card information and billing address, then click Confirm, then click Continue. You will be redirected to your bank's transaction page. Follow the on-screen instructions to verify the payment. Please wait until the transaction is completed. After the transaction is successful, you will receive an email confirmation and a notification right here. To check your balance, navigate to your wallet, select Spot, and then search for your currency. In my case, it was Euro. Here you will find various options for managing your funds. That is the end of this video. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more crypto tips and tutorials.